Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Yvonne and you're welcome to Yvonne's Easy Life Hacks. And in today's video, I just thought to jump on here to share with you 3 ways you can make your house look different, have that Christmas vibe this Christmas period. Okay, now this is the Christmas season and these are just tips without breaking the bank that you can use to just have that festive decoration, festive spirit in your house. The content you would like to see, then please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. It only takes 1 second. So guys, the very first thing you need is a Christmas tree. You don't have to buy the floor to ceiling Christmas tree. You can just get those normal 5 feet 6 feet Christmas tree. Get some Christmas lights, little decorations, just have some empty boxes, wrap them up, form a bowl and just have in the corner of your living room. That just helps to put the house in the Christmas spirit. Just something different. Believe me, when you do it, I will not go spiritual and say there is a spirit that comes with it, but it just changes the entire vibe of the house. Okay, so do that. That's one way you can get into the Christmas festive spirit, the season. Another thing to do is to have all these wreaths on the door. Welcome, Merry Christmas. Just have that wreath on your front door. Nothing too much, nothing. They are very, very affordable wreaths right now. You have those of 5,000, 7,000, depending on the size, 10,000, 15,000, depending on how much money you have. Just have that, hang it on the front of your door. It just helps to give that Christmas vibe, Christmas feeling. Another tip I would give is that you should, I know I plan to give you 3 tips, but I'm on a roll here. So the first one is to get a Christmas tree and just do little decoration. Second one is to get a wreath. The third one is to get your drinks. Okay, and I know I already mentioned this in a previous video. Like you don't have to bulk purchase. You don't have to buy everything. You can get your normal Coca-Cola 35, I think it's 35 cl now. Like you can even afford the 50 cl. 50 cl Coca-Cola pack of 12 is like 5,555. If you cannot get that, you can get the smaller one, or you can get one big one, one small one. If you go to all these shops, like they can mix it up for you. You just have that to share with your family. You don't have to go and get crate of malt, crate of this, crate of this. People come to your house, whatever you have, you give them. Give them a bottle of Coke, even if it's one chicken you can afford, just get that and enjoy yourself on Christmas Day. Buy rice. If you cannot buy a bag of rice, buy a module of rice. Buy a penta bucket of rice. Have it there. Make your white rice and stew or jollof rice. Like just try to celebrate small. Just have something. Like don't say not day, not day, not day. So you're not doing anything this Christmas. The family must have something to look forward to. The drinks on that day, the chicken, the rice. That is all the joy of the season. It's not going to cost you an arm and a leg. Just a little bit. Another thing I would say is, try and put little things in motion. Ahead for that day. You must not necessarily go out, but if you have kids, try and make sure they make their hair. Try and yeah, everybody's vibe. It's Christmas, so we have to make our hair. Even if you don't buy new clothes, like you don't have money to buy Christmas clothes, let the kids make their hair. You cut your hair. Women, can bring out your bottom box from your bottom cloth, from your bottom box. Bring something out. Even if it's an old cloth you have, you can't get anything new, bring it out, iron it, sun it, iron it, and on that day wear it and look nice and just feel happy. I know it's a single day, yes, but look, if you miss that day, it's enough to just keep you depressed for the rest of the year and even spill into the new year. So just do these little things, and it's just enough to make Christmas a wonderful day for everybody concerned. Okay, so that's just little tips I just thought to come on here to share with you guys on how you can get into the Christmas spirit, on how you can make your Christmas memorable, on just little things, tweaks here and there you can do to just make this Christmas different. Like you don't expect Christmas to be like every other day. It's a special day and you have to make it special. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for staying till the end, and like come your way again. I love you guys. Bye.